Most people in the US are missing this easy way to make money. Have you ever answered someone's questions online for free and then realized people are actually getting paid for that? I am serious right now that are normal people making extra money every single week just by answering questions. They already know the answers to. And no, you don't need to be a genius, a professor, or some tech expert. In this video, I am going to tell you how these apps work, how much people realistic make, and which apps are actually worth your time in 2026. So stay still until the end because one of these platforms can literally turn your everyday knowledge into income. Hey guys, today I am going to tell you something super interesting apps and websites that pay you for answering questions. Now listen carefully. Most people think you need to start a business, become an influencer, or learn some complement skills to make money online. But that's not always true. Sometimes people just need answers and companies are willing to pay for information, opinions, advice, feedback, and expertise. That's where these platforms come in. Some pays you a few dollars per answers. Some pay through service. Some let you build a long-term income if you stay consistent and become we continue. I want to be honest with you. This is not some make $10,000 overnight thing. If anyone tells you that, they are lying. But can you realistically make an extra $50, $100, or even a few $100s a month? Yes, absolutely. Expectedly, if you already spend time online anywhere. So let's break everything down. So step by step. So first up is section 1. Why companies pay for answers? First, let's understand something important. Why would anyone pay you just to answer questions? Here's the reason. Information is valuable. Companies want opinions. Students want help. People want expect advice. Brands want customers feedback. Research need data. And instead of hiring full-time employees for everything, many companies use apps and platforms where regular people can help. Think about it like this. If someone asks, what's the best budget laptop for college? And you give a useful answer that helps them make a buying decision, that answer has valuable. Or maybe someone asks, how was your experience with this product? That's feedback helps companies improve products. This is important. You don't always get paid because you are an expert. Sometimes you get paid because you are a real person with real experience. That's exactly why these apps exist. Our section 2, the different types of question answering apps. Now, not all apps work the same way. There are actually different categories, and understanding this can save you a lot of time. Type 1, survey and opinion apps. These apps pay you for sharing opinions. Usually, companies ask questions about shopping habits, product, entertainment, also technology and lifestyle. You answer surveys and you earn points or cash. Most surveys pay anywhere from $0.50 to around $5 per survey, sometimes higher. Now listen carefully. These apps will not make you rich, but they are simple. You can literally do them while sitting on your couch. A lot of beginners start here because it's easy. Type 2, expert answers platforms. These are most serious. People ask questions about finance, law, health, and also tech support, education, etc. and always business, and experts answers them. Some platforms allow professions to earn pretty good money because users pay for high quality answers. Now, obediently, if you are giving medical or legal advice, you usually need creditness. But there are also categories where normal knowledge works fine. For example, take troubleshooting, study advice, career guidance, writing help, things like that. Type number 3, community reward platforms. This is interesting. Some apps reward users for engagement. You answer questions, People upvote your answers and you earn rewards through platforms, programs, bonus, or creator payouts. Now this category change a lot because apps update their system consistently. But the main idea stays the same. Helpful answer equal to attention equal to money. So right now and follow this step. Our third number is section 3, realistic earnings expectations. Okay, now let's talk about the part everyone cares about. How much can you actually make? And I am going to keep this realistic because most people online exacts everything. And if you are using basic service apps casually, you might make $20, $50, maybe $100 a month. Not life changing, but still are useful for subscriptions, gaming, saving, small expense. Now, if you move into higher value platforms, especially expert based platforms, some people make several $100 monthly. A tech expert answering specific questions could earn $10, $20, even $50 plus certain details answers. But remember, higher pay users means more knowledge, better communication, consistency, even reputation. That's how it works. This is important. The biggest mistakes make beginners make in expecting huge money instantly. Instead, think of this as Instead, think of this as monetizing knowledge you already have. That's mindset changes everything. Our section 4, who this is perfect for. Honestly, for example, students, if you are in college or high school and know subjects like math, science, English, history, and you can help others, even basic study help can become valuable online. Take save people. If friends always ask you, hey, can you fix my phone? Or why is my Wi-Fi slow? You already have useful knowledge. Most people don't realize their everyday skills can actually generate income. People who spend time online anyway. Let's be real. A lot of people spend hours scrolling social media every day. But imagine using even 30 minutes of that time answering questions instead. That small shift could slowly build extra income over time. Our fifth is section 5. The biggest problem most people face. Now here's the part nobody talks about. But most people quit too early. They try one app for 2 days, maybe 1 week. Then they say it does not work. But the people who actually make money usually do three things. Number one, they stay consistency. Even 20 to 30 minutes daily matters. Consistency beats interesting. Number two, they write better answers. Listen carefully. The internet rewards clarity. Short, useless answers don't perform well. Helpful answers do. For example, instead of saying, yeah, this laptop is good, you explain better life, performance, price, even who it is good for that creators trust. And trust leads to earnings. Number three, they focus on one platform first. This is very important. Don't try 15 apps at once. You will burn out. Pick one app and maybe two. Already maybe two. I can suggest maybe two apps you can use. Learn how they work. Build experience. Then expect later. So our section 6 is warning signs to avoid. Okay. Okay, now I need to protect you for wasting time because there are fake apps out there too. Huge red flags include earn $500 per day instantly. Fake. Most platforms do not real promise crazy money. Asking you to pay first, be careful. If an app says pay $99 to unlock earnings, that's suspiciously. Legitimate platforms usually don't require huge unformed payments. No real reviews online. Always check reviews. If nobody has heard of the platform, that's a warning sign. Unrealistic platforms. If they comment, I made $20,000 in 1 week, Yeah, probably fail. Full fake. Or section 7, how to actually increase your earnings. Now let's talk strategy, because this part separates beginners for people who actually make decent money. Build speed. The faster you can write quality answers, the better. If one answer talks 30 minutes, that's not efficient. But if you can write useful response quality, you can answer more quick questions. But if you can write useful response quickly, you can answer more questions. Choose high value topics. Certain topics pay more because demand is higher. For example, technology, finance, business, education, productivity. I can create tech videos like finance. These needs usually attract more users and higher value questions. Improve communication skills. This matter a lot. Even if you know the answers, if your explanation is confusions, people will not engage. Simple communications wins online. Always remember that. Our section 8 is a realistic example. Let me give you a realistic conspiracy. Imagine someone spends 45 minutes daily answering questions across a few platforms. Let's say they average $5 per day. That's around $150 per month. Now imagine that's not millions money, but think about this. An extra $150 monthly could help with internet bills, gaming, saving for a laptop, investing, small imagination, and if you improve skills over time, that amount could grow. The point is small online income streams can stick together, and that's how many people slowly build finance freedom online. Not overnight, gradually. So our next is section 9, the physical sense of making money online. This is something most people don't understand. The first dollar online changes your mindset completely. Seriously, the moment you realize, wait, someone paid me because of my knowledge, everything feels different. You stop seeing the internet as only entertainment. You start seeing opportunities everywhere. That mental shift is powerful. And honestly, that's why learning online income skills early is valuable, even if you begin it small. Our next and last is section 10, final advice for beginners. If you want to try this seriously, here my advice. Start simple. Don't overthink it. Pick one platform just. Create a good profile, answering questions consistently, focus on being genuinely helpful, and give it time. Because most people fail not because the opportunity is fake, because they quit before results that start showing. This is important. Patience matters in online income a lot. So right now and follow this last step. So yeah, apps that pay for answering questions are real. Some are small side hustles. Some can grow into bigger opportunities. And for beginners, this can actually be a great way to start making money online without expensive equipment or advanced skills. Just remember, stay realistic, stay consistency, avoid scams, and focus on helping people, because the more value you provide, the more opportunities usually come back to you. Now, I want to ask you something. Would you actually try one of these apps, or have you already made money online before? Comment down below. I read the comments all the time. And if you video this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the all notifications, because I am going to keep posting realistic income online income ideas that actually make sense in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.